Meaning of humankind.
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 Humankind. Humankind refers to the entire human species, including all individuals and their collective characteristics. It encompasses the physical, social, cultural, and intellectual attributes that define us as a species. As a term, humankind is often used to emphasize our commonalities as a species, highlighting our shared experiences and struggles, rather than focusing on individual differences. It conveys an acknowledgement of our interconnectedness, interdependence, and shared responsibility in shaping the world and our future. In essence, it suggests a recognition of our shared humanity and the need for unity in addressing global challenges.